Hello class, my name is Mr. Fuentes and today I'm going to model the I do for you. I'm going to start by reading the problem first. A dolphin travels through the water at a speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Which representation shows the distance a dolphin can travel at this rate? So I know that he is traveling at 25 kilometers per hour, and I'm going to put a little table right up here on top to help me solve the problem. And I'm going to divide it into some few sections. And then I'm going to label my X and my Y. Now, X is time, which would be in hours. And then my Y is distance. So I know that after 1 hour, the dolphin travels 25 kilometers. At that rate, I know that after 2 hours, it will be 50. After 3 hours, he would have traveled 75. 4 hours will be 4 times 25 is 100. 5 hours, 5 times 25 is 125. 6 hours would be 150. Okay? So now that I've set up my table for this problem, now I'm going to check my answers and see which of my answers corresponds to that table that I've created. Well, let's look at the first one. After 0 hours, he would travel 0 distance because he hadn't even started. 2 hours, 50, that's correct. 4 hours, 100, that is also correct. 6 hours, 150, that is correct. So this one looks to be the correct answer so far. Let's go ahead and check the rest of them before we decide on which answer is the correct answer. B states that y is equal x plus 25. So then I'm going to create myself a little table right here. X, y. So if x is 1, y will be 26. If x is 2, y would be 27. X is 3, it would be 3 plus 25, which would be 28. And I know B does not correspond to my table at the top. So we eliminate B. Let's look at C. And now again, I'm going to do a little table because the table is always helpful. Okay? X and Y. So then if X is 25, Y is 1. If X is 50, Y is 2. If X is 75, Y is 3. And if I look at my table on top, I know this one's not even close to it either. So we'll eliminate that one. And then for D, it states that after 5 hours, in 5 hours, a dolphin can travel a distance of 135 kilometers. Well, if we look at our answer up here, at our table that I created, it says after 5 hours, the dolphin would have traveled 125 kilometers and not 135. So that one is definitely not the answer. So our answer for this problem would have to be A, the first one. Thank you and have a wonderful day.